Okay, so I'm going to be building another parallel circuit, and this time we're not just going to look at the currents, but we're going to figure out the equivalent resistance. So quickly just put my battery in, upright, going to put in a switch, and going to put in an ammeter. Now I have a wire, another ammeter going down, another light bulb, and connecting that up, and you can see it lights up. Now start adding my other ones. So I have my second wire there, and another ammeter, and another light bulb, and hooking all this up. And remember, click on values so you can see all your values. And then my third one. Okay, now if I close it, they all light up. Okay, now you can see 0.9, 0.9, 0.9, 2.7, just like in the previous lesson. Okay, now we can figure out what these three light bulbs, what the equivalent resistance is. So remember the equation V is equal to I times R. Okay, in this case, V is 9 volts. Okay, so we have 9 equal I. We have the total current, 2.7 amps. So it'll be 9 is equal to 2.7, and then R. And then all we have to do is take 9 and divide by 2.7. Okay. And we end up with 3.3 repeating. Okay. So that would be, so if I put in just one light bulb here with 3.33 ohms, I should get the same current. So let's check that. So I'm going to just disconnect those two, and leave those by themselves. So let's see, if I change just this one light bulb to 3.33, you're going to notice that you're going to end up with an issue. These only go down by 0.5s. So 3.5 gives me 2.57, 3 ohms gives me 3, and we wanted 2.7. Okay, and 2.7 is in between those two values. So it's a pretty good check. So if I bring in the other light bulbs again, okay, and let's see, well, we just uncook that for the time being. Now let's make this 4, and let's make this 6, and close it again. Okay, so now we have 2.25, 0.9, 1.5, okay, and they total up to 4.65 amps. So again, we use the equation, V equals I times R. Okay, voltage is still 9. Okay, the current now is 4.65. So 9 is equal to 4.65 times the resistance. So in this case, we take 9, divide by 4.65, and we get 1.935, and the decimal goes on. So again, we can check that answer. So let's disconnect. So remember, we want 4.65 amps. So let's get rid of that, get rid of that, and let's try to get this as close as we can. So again, 1.5 is too low, 2 is a little bit high, but it's close. So let's see, 4.5. So if this was just a little bit lower to 1.93, that current would be that 4.65. So each of these you can check your math with the actual simulation. Okay. And again, you can also change the voltage. So that'll change the V on the left side of the equation. Okay. And again, you're going to have to make some of your own circuits. Okay. And there is a Google Doc attached to this, and you can put all your answers into that Google Doc. Remember, you don't have to turn the Google Doc in, but those answers will be used when you take the quiz. So it's just a neat place to put your answers so you don't lose them. Okay, and I think that's it.